Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create your own AI character. In the previous video, I did a video about how to chat with AI characters. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create and customize your own AI characters using CrushOn.AI. This platform is a lot of fun. We're going to be exploring its features and how to use it. So if you are ready, let's do it. Alright, and of course all the links used in this video will be found in the description box. So once you head to the front page of CrushOn.AI, you need to sign in to use the platform, of course. Alright, so once you sign in using your Google account or your preferred method, you need to click on the plan, click edit profile, because it's the profile that you're going to be using to chat with your character, of course. So you can change the name, the gender, whatever gender you prefer, per day. I'm just gonna keep it like that. Profile, you can change it. In bio is optional. You can add social media interests. This will show the characters that you're interested in, and of course the privacy of your favorites. And you click save and you're good to go. Before we start the process, I want you to click on bonus, click on check. You see right here like a daily task that will give you points. Click check. Okay, you can complete these, of course, to get more, right? You're gonna click create, and here you have two options. You can have a JSON file of your character, or you can start from scratch. You're gonna just go and click create character, and right here you're gonna see the name. Of course, you can name it anything you want. I'm gonna put that name, and of course you need to upload a picture of your character. Alright, so we have this picture that I added. It's picture of your character. Of course you can customize it, and again you need to upload a scene card. A scene card is what's the background that's gonna appear in the chat. Alright, so I selected this blue background. You need to enter the name, of course, in order to save it. Hit confirm. Alright, as you see, the background is changed. You scroll a little bit, you can see on PC and on mobile as well. So next we have introduction. So basically you're going to describe your character, but don't worry, this will not affect how the character will interact with you. So this is just a brief description for you to know what the character is about, and also if you make this character public, for the people to know what the character is about. And so I entered a random description right here. Of course you can customize it as you want, and here it comes. If you want this character to be public, means people can find it and chat with it, or you can put it enlisted and share it with your friends, of course, or keep it private only for you. And of course the rating, you can choose filtered and filtered tags. You can select tags. This helps when you make the character public, will make it easier for people to find. Alright, so I selected two tags for this character. Gender, of course, public definition. Of course, if you make this character public, do you want the definition to be seen by people or not? So we're just gonna keep it for no. And this is a greeting text, which means what's gonna appear right here in the first message when you enter to the character chat room. So as you see, hello, how are you? And it automatically changes right here. You keep scrolling, personality. Alright, so you need to pay attention right here. This place is not similar to the introduction. Means whatever you write here, it's gonna affect the character, how it's gonna interact with. So be specific with what you write in the personality because it's gonna affect the way it answers, the way it receives messages. Alright, so once we enter the personality, if you write a lot, you can use the AI to summarize it, or you can just keep it as you want. Here, scenarios, which means the content will be included in the memory. For example, like scenarios, like if you say that, the character will say that exactly. So feel free to customize this option based on your preference. So once you fill in all these required information, you scroll, you hit create and chat. You see creation successful. Here you see the chat, and of course you can change the background at any point. Of course, if you add more scenes or backgrounds, as I call them, you can change them all the time, but for now we're going to keep the standard one. If you hit a message, hi, you will see your profile that we talked about. This is the profile that we already created before. If you click plus, you can hit profile and customize another profile right here. But if you don't want, you can just keep the original one, of course. You hit plus, you can change the background, of course, instructions, or a group. But this feature requires you to subscribe to CrushOn.AI, which means you create multiple characters and you put them in a group, which means all the characters are going to interact as a group chat and you can interact with them as well. So if you want to just try it for free, click not now. And that's it for the character. If you want to go back, click. Once you're back to the main page, of course, you can click recent chats. And you will see your, of course, characters if you create more. And of course, as we said before, the group is VIP option, right? And here you can see not only the character you create, of course, the characters you chat with, even from these, if you are basically going to use these characters. And for the plans, you can click pricing, and you can explore them on your own and see what the plans offer for you. And for now, that's it for the video. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more AI character videos. And now, see you in the next tutorial.